Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to jack up your W203 properly. So let's get into the car and I'll show you. So we're just where the number plate is, under the front bumper, and if you go underneath the car you'll see this little rubber stop thing right here. So you want to put your jack there and then jack up here. Make sure it's not here or anything else, make sure it's on this actual rubber pad. If you use your trolley jack to jack up from there, you'll jack up both sides of the front, left and right at the same time, but make sure you use a trolley jack. So we're at the rear of the car here, that's the number plate there. So we go underneath the car, and you can see here, this is your diff, your rear diff. If you go underneath the car and you start to jack it from here, you can put your trolley jack underneath here, underneath the diff here, and that'll take the weight of the car, and that'll jack up your left and your right rear at the same time. So we're at the rear of the car now, and obviously when you're working underneath the car, or even on a car, you shouldn't really work on it just supported by a jack. It should always be supported by axle stands. So you'll see these things here, and that's where your axle stands go. If you don't have them, you can buy them from Mercedes, but that is where your axle stands should sit. If you've got the V ones, you can have them a little bit offset, so this bit will go in the middle, and if you've got the square ones, they should fit straight in the middle there. And we're at the front of the car now, and just to show you again, we have this thing here again, and that's where your jack stand or your axle stand will go. Again, your flat one will fit in here, and if you have a V, you're better off maybe off-centering it a bit, or sometimes they can fit in the middle here. That'll protect you and your car. It's a pretty good idea actually, so that's the best way to jack up your W203. It might also work on CLKs, and I think W211s are fairly similar. Thank you, bye.